Hi guys! So welcome to my vlog again, and this is our event. So medyo matagal ako nawala dahil marami lang tayong ginawang mga bagay-bagay, and this past few months naging busy din ako and may mga inasikaso importante. But we're back here again, and now we have event here at Marriott Grand Ballroom. It's the Inside Asian Gaming Expo 2025. So actually, this is our first here in the event, and this is our first client as well. So we really prepared for our performance since kami lang mag-perform. This is a very short program lang. So ribbon cutting, and then we're gonna perform. Then yun na, start ng expo. So just to give you a background regarding with the event, it's the expo of the casinos here in the Philippines. So right now, tapos na kami mag-tech run. So, we're doing preparation since maaga yung call time and yung performance namin. So, later ulit kita-kits tayo, okay? Bye! So, this is it. In 10 minutes, sasalang na kami for our performance. This is very crucial kasi it's an LED interaction, and we don't have really enough time for us to rehearse on stage na nagkaroon ng tech problem pa na. But since we are doing it professionally, so kailangan namin siyang ayusin. So, yun lang. So, watch our full performance at our page. Ipo-post ko yan later. So, yun, we're done sa first event natin kanina. So, naging maayos naman yung kinalabasan niya, and na-satisfied naman yung ating mga client. So, ngayon, from Marriott, I'm going to Solaire North na. Dahil meron pa akong isang event. So, may product launch ako na Umami Burst. Ngayon, punta na tayo dito sa Solaire North for our product launch. Abangan nyo ang hinanda namin. See ya! Now we are here at Solaire North again. So just to give you an idea kung ano yung mangyari later. So kung kanina nagkaroon kami ng LED interaction performance, ang team nila ngayon yung concept is circus. So later on makikita nyo lahat for today's event. Aerialists, acrobats, and then ibang circus acting yung dala natin. So ngayon kakain muna ako, dire-diretso kami mamaya. Okay, so later na lang ulit bago mag-perform. Bye! So it's a wrap. So again, thank you for watching, and gusto ko naman po salamat sa pangalong event namin, which is the Umami Burst, for trusting us. Thanks God kasi nairaos natin siya. So from Marriott to Solaire, and dire-diretso. Sobrang blessed lang kasi maaga natapos yung show namin sa Marriott, then sakto dito. So yun lang, maraming salamat, and check nyo na lang yung full performance ng mga ginawa namin ngayong lahat ng events, ngayong shows. And again, thank you sa mga clients na nagtitiwala sa amin. Thank you to my dancers, to my talents, sa buong bumubuo ng IOX Entertainment. So again, maraming salamat sa inyo. Thank you, Lord God, sa lahat ng blessings and shows na binibigay niyo sa amin. So, ang daming lessons na nangyari ngayon. So, keep on moving lang. Move forward lang tayo, and kailangan lang natin maging instrumento pa rin sa mga taong pwede natin tulungan, katulad ng mga ganito. So, yun lang. So, if you want us to book, and if you have any event inquiries, kung gusto nyo itry ang aming services, kahit anong performance, kaya namin yan. Just check and DM us at down below. Yan. i-message na kami agad. And for sure, we will make it happen. Again, thank you for watching and see you on our next show. Bye-bye!